Well, hello everyone, I'm back. The new proud American conservative. Yes, I got more important info not too many of you can stomach. President Trump tweeted today about Democrats lifting off all these restrictions on November 4th, the day after election. These restrictions are ridiculous, etc. He's the one who issued the national coronavirus pandemic emergency status back in March. That's still active to this day, by the way. National emergencies like Patriot Act back in the day, early 2000s, because of 9/11, give nothing but power to power-hungry bureaucrats. They can do it legally. Whatever is going on right now in all these states, yes, Democrats are definitely using every single bit of this national emergency, but Republicans are just a step behind. Not far though, just one step behind. You go to a local library here in Florida, in Pinellas County, you're gonna have a temperature gun pointed at your forehead to check your temperature. They yellow taped, like a crime scene, all the entrances to beaches for 2 months when the national emergency status was issued. Florida has a Republican governor. So does Texas, Georgia. Look up all these restrictions still in place in Republican-run states. So this is why I always say prepare, look at facts, watch what is actually going on instead of what these people are tweeting and talking about all over the mainstream media. Just use common sense and you'll do just fine. I believe President Trump is using COVID as a scapegoat. If the market gets decimated, we sold off 38% back in March, April, and right now the market is getting hit. Is it going to get hit harder than what happened a few months back? We don't know yet. But again, I know for a fact, as every single one of you, if this happens, it's going to be blamed on COVID. Okay? That's what every single conservative is going to tell you. Even though President Trump, let's repeat this again, is the one who issued the national pandemic status that's still active to this date. Not to mention Fauci wasn't fired, Birx, etc., right? So what do we do in situations like this? I believe this is just based on a lot of research. That energy sector that's selling off right now, especially blue chip stock like, let's say, Exxon, that's hitting pretty close now, hitting to 52-week low. I would like to see another 20% drop here soon. That pays good dividends. I would love to get in the energy. Energy is going to go up. It's going to be hyper inflated. Believe me, these freaks, these banksters, they're going to hit you. They're going to hit the middle class where it hurts the most, which is energy and food. Food's going to go up. You're going to continue seeing lumber prices going up. Why? People are trying to fix up their homes. They're not getting into new homes unless it's people that have the upper middle class, let's say from California, New York. They're buying homes in the middle of nowhere now. They're trying to get away from the city. So you'll see a little uptick in sales there. But mostly, people are building their own, they're fixing whatever they have, and they're going from there. So these freaks are going to hit you where it hurts the most, and I believe energy is going to be the one that's going to hyperinflate. You all know who follows my blog that I believe they're based on their actions, gold, silver, platinum is going to inflate. We are looking at huge opportunity here in gold mining stocks, precious metals when it comes to spot price, just owning physical while you can, especially platinum and silver, as they are nowhere close to the all-time high. So this is the area that I believe we're going to see hyperinflation. And deflation is going to be seen mostly in real estate. So those who are looking at, I bought a house for $200,000, now it's worth, $330,000. I'm doing really good, but did not sell, are going to get hurt. So basically, savers lose again. If you save in digital, you see numbers, digits on the screen. You don't have any hard tangibles in your possession. You don't have blue chip, good dividend paying stocks, not overvalued tech stocks only. You are only in the paper. You only own dollars, whether it's under your pillow or in the bank. If you're not diversified, if you're just a typical saver, let's call it that way, you will lose, okay? Money printing is nothing but money devaluation / debasement 101. And right now, money printing is off the charts, 1 trillion per month. If you spend $1 every minute for the next 36,000 years, you would spend $1 trillion. Just think of that. Why would you only save something that you have, that you're watching the government printing to infinity? It doesn't make sense. Yes, you need the dollar, don't get me wrong. The dollar is still king, but the way it looks, dollars' days are numbered. You gotta protect your purchasing power by holding some gold, physical gold, silver, platinum, looking at different sectors instead of just what's been going up for a long time. So this is just my play. On Parler last Wednesday, I put out a warning for all of my followers, close to 12,000 right now. I told them all my core positions were out, and since that Wednesday, the next day, markets start to sell off. It sold off Friday. It sold off yesterday. It's selling off big time today. I will be getting back in, and I will let you know when. Again, I will repeat, I like energy market right now, energy sector. I believe this is going to be really juicy profits coming in. And I will let you know exactly which stock and when I'm getting in. I'll give you a quick tip for right now. NOG, Northern Oil and Gas. This one has been trading between 70 cents up to $1 for several months in a row, and now it's under 60 cents. If I see another 3 or 4 cents drop in NOG, Northern Oil and Gas, I would be all over this one. Again, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Before I close off, someone made a comment, and I've heard this before so many times. People say, well, you're telling me about all this, but I don't have any money to invest. This is why I talk a lot about these cheaper stocks. I was inventing a system even for you guys that do not have availability, liquidity to jump in and do something. Maybe you're looking at maybe $100 investment in a cheap stock, for instance, like Northern Oil and Gas, and then cash out when you made $20 a week, so you can end up making $80 and pay off your cell phone bill. Or buy an ounce of silver for $30, $35, whatever the premiums are nowadays. They just keep skyrocketing. This is why I believe everyone has a chance to do something here, no matter what your portfolio looks like, if any. If you got nothing, maybe it's time to sell something. Maybe there is something of sentimental value that you have that's worth like $4,000. Maybe it's time to sell that and buy some gold with it, or invest in the mining stock, or buy into Exxon and get paid dividends 8-9% a year for holding Exxon at almost at a 52-week low. I don't know, but there are always ways to do something. Okay, maybe you got a paid off car. Maybe it's time to sell it and use a bike if you don't need to go anywhere far. If you're working at home, or you can use public transportation to do something. Whatever you need to do, you got to get it done right now. This is what I believe 100%. Take care. God bless you all.